From Roseau to the Dominica shores, with every waterfall, you leave us in awe. Oh, Dominica, we love you more and more. Creole culture, rich and deep, friendly smiles and rhythms deep. Bananas, cocoa, coffee, sweet. In every corner, history we meet. Emerald pools and black sand days, will songs that fill our days. In Dominica, the nature's call echoes through the mountains tall. Dominica, our beauty, our splendor. From Roseau to the Dominica shores, with every waterfall, you leave us in awe. Oh, Dominica, we love you more and more and more. Creole culture, rich and deep, friendly smiles and rhythms deep. Bananas, cocoa, coffee, sweet. In every corner, history we meet. Emerald pools and black sand bays, will songs that fill our days. In Dominica, the nature's call echoes through the mountains tall. Dominica, our beauty, our splendor. From Roseau to the Dominica shores, with every waterfall, you leave us in awe. Dominica, we love you more and more and more. Emerald pools and black sand bays, will songs that fill our